Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, I have a fine combination of trig identity on the left hand side and an exponential function on the right hand side to solve. The question is, if 1 plus tan 1 in bracket plus 1 plus tan 2 in another bracket up to 1 plus tan 45 in a bracket is equal to 2 to the power n, what is the value of n? How are we going to solve this problem? Very simple. If we observe the bracket and count them, we will see that there are 45 brackets in number. Again, when we look at the last bracket, we have 1 plus tan 45. And tan 45 is 1. So we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it gives us an idea of how to proceed. That means that we can manipulate the brackets so as to get 2. As we have 2 to the power n at the right hand side. Now, since there are 45 brackets here, and when we remove this, we are going to get 44 brackets remaining. When we pair them in 2, we are going to get 22 results. So we should have 22 or 2 raised to the power 23 as the answer. That is n equals to 23. So how are we going to get the value of n equals to 23? I was saying that we should manipulate any 2. So if I multiply these brackets and the one before 1 plus tan 45, I will get 2. That is 1 plus tan 1, then 1 plus tan 44 is equal to 2. Now, let us look for how to rewrite tan 44, since 44 is 45 minus 1. So it becomes 1 plus tan 1 times 1 plus tan 45 minus 1 is equal to 2. So let us use a trig identity here. That is tan A minus B in bracket is equal to tan A minus tan B all over 1 plus tan A tan B. Very good. So A is 45 and B is 1. That becomes 1 plus tan 1 times 1 plus, applying this identity here, I have tan 45 minus tan 1 all over 1 plus tan 45 times tan 1. Close the brackets. Very good. Now, tan 45 is 1. So that becomes 1 plus tan 1 times 1 plus 1 minus tan 1 all over 1 plus tan 45 is 1 again. I have tan 1 here. Close the bracket. Let's remember it is equal to 2. Let's convert these 2 into a fraction. So we have 1 plus tan 1 bracket. The LCM is 1 plus tan 1. Now this divided by this will give us 1. 1 times this is 1 minus tan 1. Then plus this divided by 1 will give us this. 1 plus tan 1 times 1 is 1 plus tan 1. So this and this will cancel out. We now have 1 plus tan 1 times 1 plus 1 over 1 plus tan 1, which is 1 plus tan 1 bracket 2 over 1 plus tan 1. Now this will cancel this, giving us 2 as the result. So our 1 plus tan 44 times 1 plus tan 1 will give us 2. If I do the same thing for these brackets and the one before 1 plus tan 1, which is 1 plus tan 43, I will also get 2. So in all, 1 plus tan 1, then 1 plus tan 2, up to 1 plus tan 45 will give us 2 raised to the power. Now 22 brackets, we'll put 22 here, plus this one give us 23. Therefore, n is equal to 23.